Hello and welcome. My name is Valerie Anthony and I will be presenting to you the online version of my professional development workshop titled Introduction to Screencasting using Jing and Screencast.com. The purpose of this workshop is to introduce you to screencasting and to show you how to create a simple screencast using Jing and Screencast.com. So let's say you have a process you're trying to show or tell someone and they're just not getting it. What do? You create a screencast. A screencast is a digital recording of a computer screen which often includes audio narration. It's sometimes called a video capture or video capturing. It's very useful for when you need to show a person how to do a process. You're probably wondering if creating a screencast is right for you. You can create a screencast when you want to show someone a process rather than tell them how to do it. This can be very helpful, particularly for students who learn better visually and not through lecture. Creating a screencast can also be help with repetitiveness. Instead of telling someone a process over and over, you can show them at their convenience. Screencasts can be created to show off a website or software feature, or to help students learn how to perform specific tasks, such as find assignments on Georgia View, use the library catalog, or create a Word document. Screencasts can also be created to provide feedback on assignments for students or to have students create their own content. There are many benefits to screencasting. Screencasting is a powerful communication tool. Once you create a screencast, it can be uploaded and sent to individuals via email, or it can be posted in a blog or website. Screencasting can also be used to give better instructions and to better engage an audience. Most of all, screencasts are easy to create and share. When planning a screencast, it's always good to know your audience so the tone and words you use are appropriate. It's also good to write a script in scenes and to practice what you will say and what you will show. This will make the sound and flow of your screencast better. Here are two lists of some of the paid and free programs that can be used to create a screencast. The free program we will be focusing on in this workshop is Jing. Jing is the screencasting software that makes communicating so much easier. You can use Jing to share images and videos. Jing is available for the Mac or PC. It's easy and even fun to use. It's made by TechSmith, the same people who make Camtasia and Snagit. Here's the URL for TechSmith.com. This is where you can download Jing. You can use Jing to take screenshots. This means you can use Jing to capture an image of what you see on your computer screen. You can also use Jing to record screencasts. This is when you record what you are seeing and doing on your monitor. Lastly, you can use Jing to collaborate. Jing's older siblings, Snagit and Camtasia, are great for editing and enhanced sharing. There is a free and pro version of Jing. Most educators and students use the free version. The free version is extremely functional and never expires. They both have the same video recording link, which is 5 minutes, and the same annotation tools. They also share some of the same sharing options, except the pro version has YouTube. They also have the same storage and bandwidth limits. The pro version of Jing costs $14.95 a year. It can be used to create videos in a more standard format such as MP4. The pro version of Jing is better at capturing motion and creating smaller file sizes. The pro version can be used to edit screencasts in many third-party software apps. Jing Pro also removes the Jing branding from a screencast and allows you to send videos to YouTube. You can also use your webcam with Jing Pro to record your screen. Use Jing to easily show and explain anything that happens on your computer screen. Now let's talk a little bit about Screencast.com. Screencaster captures that you create in Jing can be uploaded to this website. The free version gives you 2 gigabytes of storage and monthly bandwidth. The Pro version gives you 25 gigabytes of storage and 200 gigabytes of monthly bandwidth for $9.95 a month or $99.95 a year. Here are 2 examples of screencasts created using Jing. One is on how to obtain the Galileo password, and the other is on the introduction to Galileo. Click on the links to view each one. Thank you for viewing this presentation. I hope you are more familiar with screencasting, Jing, and Screencast.com.